This is a Milescraft set of 3 hinge drill bits, and they are the right drill sizes for a number 4, a number 6 or a number 8 screw. When this is mounted in your drill and you drill a hole into the countersink of the hinge, the angle piece sits comfortably in the countersink. As you push your drill down, the drill will pop up and then the spring will recover it up afterwards. In practical terms, if you chopped your hinge into your piece of timber and then it was just ready for your screwing or your drilling, we'd mount one of these up in the drill. We'd make sure we were sat in the centre of the countersink and plunge your drill down. And what you're going to end up with is holes which are centred up onto the hinge. In a standard joinery situation, we want to drill a hole and just make sure that our hinge is against the back part that you've chopped in with your chisel. Just get your drill in there, get him nice and level and square, and just drill your hole in, and then you're ready to put your screw nice and centred up to that hole. In a furniture making or box making situation, we can use the drill to get our centre hole, but if your screw is not dead centre, then what can happen is as you screw the screw in, it'll pull the hinge away, and then you're going to end up with a gap along this internal face. What I do in this situation is use my drill with my hinge bit in there, drill what I believe is centre, and then I will take a smaller drill bit and I will then drill, rather than dead centre, I'll go slightly to the inner surface of the box, just 1/4 millimetre, and drill down my pilot hole for my screw. What you'll find then is when you put your screws in, it'll pull this hinge nice and tight up against the area where you have chopped out with the chisel. Same for this side. What we do is make sure we drill slightly this side of centre, and it'll pull this hinge in against this bit of timber. For any of your Milescraft products, come and see us at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and look at our social media channels.